I'm Patrick.
And I'm Carlina.
And we are Barren Pallet Works, and we do woodworking, furniture, wall art, decor, mosaics.
All types of things.
I've always worked with my hands. Decided to build myself a table, and she kept selling it, and I still don't have my coffee table.
Yep, I sold it on Facebook Marketplace. I thought it was cool, and it sold overnight. I'd come home on the weekends from college and just like dabble in the shop with him, and then I slowly started liking it, making stuff, and then just full sent it.
I put a lot of detail, and I make sure everything's
I feel like our
pretty
work
good.
though can like range because we have like a rustic style, but also a clean style. Kind of hit both ends of that.
Depends on what the client wants, really.
Yeah. Honestly, family. That was the first thing I realized last year when we met everybody from TotalBoat. They immediately like accepted us.
I use it for flood coats, I use it for filler, and I use it for finish.
I think it's easy to use, and I think it definitely cleaned up a lot of our style.
Brought our style from rustic to more modern. We really have weaned ourselves into using it on almost every project.
Making is just such a good outlet for us, good escape.
I love the gratification of when I get to see the clients when we finally hand them the finished product.